In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit objects in Hamina. If you're planning a wireless network or refining a floor plan, the 2025 Hamina interface makes it straightforward to tweak walls, access points, and zones so your design matches the real world. First, let's talk about selecting what you want to change. Start by clicking the pointer, also called the edit icon, in the top toolbar. This puts you into editing mode. Now click directly on any wall, an access point, or an attenuation zone on your map to select it. You'll see visual handles that confirm it's active. If you need to work on several items at once, click and drag a box around them to create a group selection. That way you can apply the same change across multiple objects. If you select the wrong thing, simply click on empty space to clear the selection. A quick tip here, zooming in before you select helps you grab the exact object you intend, especially in busy layouts. With an object selected, look to the right sidebar. This panel is where you adjust properties. Changing the type or material of a wall, like switching from drywall to brick, updates how signals are modeled through that surface, which is crucial for accurate predictions. For access points, you can pick a different model or brand to match what's actually deployed, ensuring the performance estimates are realistic. You can also edit height, for instance, if an access point needs to move from 8 feet to 12 feet to clear obstructions, update that here. The same goes for the height of walls where applicable. Be mindful of your units, your project may display feet or meters, and consistency matters. Finally, use the Notes field to add labels or concise installation instructions. Clear notes save time later for anyone reviewing or installing. When you're ready to reposition or reshape, click and drag the center of an object to move it to a new location. Watch nearby references, like doors or furniture outlines, so placements stay true to the site. To change size or shape, use the blue dots on corners and edges of walls or zones. Dragging these nodes lets you extend, shorten, or adjust angles without recreating the object. If you need to remove something entirely, press the backspace or delete key while it's selected. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Use Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac to instantly undo any accidental edits. That's it. Select your objects, refine their properties in the right sidebar, and then move, reshape, or delete as needed. Practice these basics and your Hamina projects will become faster, cleaner, and more accurate.